Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to remove face lock on itel S15 mobile phone. Face unlock plus password. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, here in your itel S15 mobile phone, okay, you'll have to do is go to setting. In setting, go to security and location. In security and location, and device security section, you can see the face unlock. Okay, you'll have to do stop this. And re-enter your password. Enter your device password to continue. And after that, okay, here in face unlock, okay, you can see the delete face data. And on the right side, you can see the delete icon. And to remove the face lock, you'll have to do stop the delete icon on the right side. And the pop-up are show, okay, remove face data. You'll have to do stop the confirm button. And that's it, okay? Go back. And okay guys, we have successfully removed the face lock. And also, you can remove the screen lock, okay? You'll have to do stop the screen lock and enter your password. Enter your device password to continue. And okay guys, here you can select the none. And the pop-up are show, okay, remove device protection. Device protection features will not work without your password, okay? You'll have to do is stop the remove button. And that's it, okay? We have successfully removed face lock on itel S15 mobile phone, face unlock plus password. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.